Staying connected with your neighborhood, a guide to Nextdoor. Welcome to your neighborhood's virtual hub. Nextdoor is a free app designed to connect you with the people who live closest to you. This informative guide, created with the help of AI and the latest in smartphone technology, will walk you through the app's features and show you how to navigate this platform for a more connected community. Getting started. Downloading the Nextdoor app is the first step. Available for iPhone and Android devices, the app uses your address to verify your residency and connect you with your neighbors. Once verified, you'll be greeted by a newsfeed showcasing posts from your local area. Navigating the neighborhood. The Nextdoor interface is user-friendly and divided into distinct sections. Newsfeed. This is the heart of Nextdoor, displaying posts from neighbors. Here you'll find everything from lost pet announcements to recommendations for local plumbers. Groups. Nextdoor fosters a sense of community through hyper-local groups. These groups can be geographically specific, like your street or apartment complex, or focus on shared interests, like gardening or dog walking clubs. My Neighborhood. This section provides a directory of verified neighbors in your area. You can search for specific people or browse by interests they've chosen to share. For sale and free, looking to declutter or find a bargain. This section allows you to buy, sell, or give away items locally. Public safety. Nextdoor facilitates open communication about safety concerns. This can include crime alerts, suspicious activity reports, or simply keeping an eye out for a missing pet. Engaging with the community. Nextdoor allows you to interact with your neighbors in several ways. Posting, share announcements, ask questions, or start discussions relevant to your community. Commenting, engage with your neighbors' posts by offering help, sharing insights, or simply expressing your support. Direct messaging. Need to reach out to a neighbor privately. Nextdoor allows for secure direct messages for one-on-one communication. Personalizing your Nextdoor experience. Privacy settings. Nextdoor offers various privacy settings that allow you to control what information you share with your neighbors. Notifications. Customize your notification preferences to receive alerts for specific types of posts or discussions. Interests. Adding your interests to your profile connects you with neighbors who share similar passions. The benefits of being a good neighbor. Nextdoor goes beyond just connecting you with people who live nearby. It fosters a sense of community and belonging. Here are some ways you can be a positive influence on your virtual neighborhood. Be helpful, offer assistance to neighbors in need. Be respectful, maintain a positive and inclusive tone in your communication. Be informative, share valuable information like local events or safety updates. Conclusion. Nextdoor is a powerful tool for building a stronger and more connected community. By utilizing its features responsibly, you can create a more vibrant and supportive environment for yourself and your neighbors. So, download the app, verify your address, and start exploring the many ways Nextdoor can enrich your neighborhood experience. Remember, this guide is just a starting point. With its ever-evolving features, Nextdoor has the potential to become a powerful resource for building a stronger and more supportive community.